Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Redwan Hussain. My identification number is 1718055, student of General and Development Studies, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank our honorable course teacher, Mr. Taha Hussain, lecturer, Department of General and Development Studies, Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur, and also to all of you who are watching this video. Thanks for your watching. My presentation topic is movie review of Guerrilla movie. To discuss this topic, I have made an index quiz contest. Firstly, abstract of Guerrilla movie, secondly, introduction, thirdly, findings and discussion, and finally, conclusion. But in my presentation, I will focus some major issues. Abstract. The objective of the study is to show how the people of Bangladesh spent their time in 1971 and how many brutal killings were carried out by the Pakistan aggressors in this country. The study has been conducted on the basis of the data collection as secondary data. In the film, the female character Bilkis worked for the independence of the country and thus endured unbearable oppression and ultimately self-sacrifice for the motherland. Introduction. Guerrilla is a 2011 Bangladeshi film based on the events of Bangladesh Liberation War, an adaptation of the novel Nishidda Loban by Soyed Shamsul Haq. It was released on 14th April 2011. The novel is written by the prolific Bengali writer Soyed Shamsul Haq. It has been envisioned by the director of the film Nasiruddin Yusuf Bassu. He has crafted the film Guerrilla with his own experience as a freedom fighter of 1971. Findings and discussions. In it, the central characters Bilkis and Shiraz meet each other by sheer coincidence when the former arrives in her village to look for her family when the liberation war breaks out. Shiraz, barely 17 or 18 at the time of the war, follows Bilkis around and ultimately helps her to find the corpse of her brother Khoka. The story takes a peek at the wartime events. In this novel, Hawk focuses once again on common people and depicts their thoughts about the war. The intensity of Soyed Shamsul Haq's writing can be felt in the translated version, which enables us to see the rebellious Bilkis and Shiraz working together to give a decent burial to the people killed in the genocide, though they eventually get caught for doing so. Though not connected by blood, Bilkis and Shiraz come very close to each other. Transcending rivalries, they act like siblings caught up in a conflict which has taken a lot from both of them. The last reads of Shiraz or Pratap is a kind of consolation for Bilkis, and she acts like one proceed to avenge the death of her brothers. A woman who has lost everything in the war but is ultimately rejuvenated by it. Bilkis pits herself against a Pakistani army major and burns him in the fury in which her brother has been inserted. Conclusion. This is a movie that shows how the people of Bangladesh spent the time in 1971. This movie shows how the character named Bilkis Banu conducted to the 1971 Liberation War. There is some fiction, there is some fact. All in all, there is a dramatized presentation. This movie plays the role of an eye-opener of Bangladeshi freedom struggle. What is most striking about this movie is that is portrayed in same way as it was in 1971, which vehicles, clothes, telephones, houses and roads. We may not know how many fireflies of our Bilkis, how many luminous souls are carrying in our chests. So they are a story that the Guerrilla movie shows us we watch with great affection because this is our story. This story is the story of the victory of humanity. That's all of my side for the time being. Thank you so much for listening my speech. Hope the conversation will help us for our academic purpose. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.